In today's lesson, we're going to use two methods to find the percentage of something. So if we have a problem like this that says use two methods to find 25% of 32. Remember, 25% of something means 25% times 32. Okay, just keep that in mind. So the first method we're going to use is a proportion. So use a proportion to find the answer. So a part over a whole equals the percent over 100. Okay, so this is how we're going to try to solve this particular problem. And remember, a percent is one part out of 100, but we're looking for 25 parts, right? 25%. And the whole is 32. The whole number we're working with is 32. We're trying to find a percentage of it, or a part of it, right? This is the part of it. The percent is 25. So now we could just fill in the numbers. The part over the whole, which is 32, equals 25% over 100. So 25% is just 25 over 100. Now we just need to get part by itself. So to do that, get rid of the fractions, multiply both sides by 100, and multiply both sides by 32. So how does that look? It looks like this. So you multiply this part of the equation by 132, and this part of the equation by 132 as well. Doesn't matter what order you put them in, okay? Now you cross out the numbers that cancel each other out. So the reason I put the 100 here and the 32 here is because it's easier to see that you could cross them out, okay? They cancel each other out. So then you can rewrite this now with what you have left. We are left with 100 times part, 100 times part equals 32 times 25. That's what we have left. Now to isolate part, we're going to isolate this by dividing both sides by 100. We want to get rid of this 100 on this side. So let's do that. See how that looks. Looks like this. So let's divide this whole thing by 100. And then 32 times 25 is 800. And let's divide it by 100 also. Okay? What you do to one side, you have to do to the other. Now we can cross these out. They cancel each other out. And look, we're left with part by itself. Part equals 8 because 100 fits into 800 8 times. Now let's look at the second method. Method 2. Find the answer by writing and solving an equation. So this is actually a bit easier. So part equals the percentage of the whole, which is what I said at the beginning. Of means multiply. So 25% of 32 just means 25 times percent times 32. And here it is. The part that we're looking for is 25% times 32. So remember, a percentage can be rewritten like this. The percent is one part out of 100, and here we're looking for 25 parts out of 100. So now we can rewrite this as 0.25. So remember, because we have 100 in the denominator, we could just move the decimal here at the end of 25 left twice, right? 1, 2, and you put the decimal here. So you're left with 0.25 times 32. So you just multiply that and you get 8. So 25% of 32 is 8. with both methods. Both methods give you the same answer. So I didn't go in detail in how to multiply a decimal with a whole number, but if you take a look at the description, I've put links in there to those videos so you could review those. As well, if you need extra help, there's other videos there that you could also watch. And also make sure to download the ebook. In the ebook, there's a link to this exact lesson. This exact lesson appears in the ebook. You could click on the link and watch the video as you follow along in the ebook. Thank you so much for listening, and please make sure to like and subscribe.